Definitely.
Yeah. So that opened all of this up and released that tension there, right? And did it hurt?
No.
Okay, good.
Was it, where was it? Was it this?
Yeah, right here,
Okay.
just below that. So that's a really great way. I noticed a couple of things. I made sure that my body, the only thing touching her was my upper chest into her back. I took my body back and away. She had to keep her feet planted. I don't want her whole body up against my body in that move. It's not an appropriate way to have your body in that move.